Welcome to our channel where today we're going on an exhilarating journey through Colombia's top 10 must-do experiences. From vibrant cities to pristine natural wonders, Colombia offers a tapestry of adventures waiting to be explored. Whether you're planning your next getaway or simply dreaming of one, join us as we uncover the essence of this captivating country. Get ready to discover ancient treasures, immerse yourself in rich cultural traditions, and embark on thrilling escapades that define Colombia as a traveler's paradise. From the colorful streets of Cartagena to the misty peaks of the Cocora Valley, each destination on our list promises unforgettable moments and lasting memories. So grab your passport and sense of adventure. Let's dive into the 10 best things to do in Colombia that will inspire your next great adventure. 10. Explore the walled city of Cartagena. Explore Cartagena's walled city, where cobblestone streets wind past vibrant colonial buildings adorned with bougainvillea. Discover Castillo, San Felipe de Barajas, offering panoramic views of Cartagena and the Caribbean Sea. Dive into museums, churches, and plazas steeped in tales of pirates and Spanish conquests. Indulge in local cuisine at charming cafes and browse markets for handmade crafts. This historic gem blends old-world allure with tropical beauty, an essential stop on any Colombian journey. 9. Discover the coffee cultural landscape. Explore Colombia's UNESCO coffee cultural landscape, where emerald green hills are adorned with orderly coffee plantations. Visit traditional haciendas to learn the art of coffee production from bean to brew. Engage in tastings to savor Colombian coffee's unique flavors. Immerse yourself in the stories of local farmers amidst serene landscapes, gaining a deeper appreciation for Colombia's role as a premier coffee producer. 8. Hike to the Lost City, Ciudad Perdida. Embark on an unforgettable journey deep into Colombia's jungles to discover the Lost City, older than Machu Picchu. Trek through dense foliage and across rivers, following paths of the ancient Tairona civilization. Ascend stone staircases to terraced platforms once bustling with life. Hear local guides share stories of its spiritual significance and rediscovery. It's a profound exploration of Colombia's cultural heritage and natural beauty. 7. Marvel at the Salt Cathedral of Zipaquira. Descend into Zipaquira's depths to discover its unique salt cathedral carved within an active salt mine. Wander through tunnels adorned with salt sculptures, softly lit to create a mystical atmosphere. Marvel at the architectural marvels and religious symbolism embedded in the salt rock walls. Learn about the craftsmanship and engineering that blend faith and nature in this underground sanctuary, captivating visitors worldwide. 6. Experience the Amazon rainforest. Immerse yourself in Colombia's Amazon rainforest, a pristine wilderness bursting with biodiversity. Join guided expeditions to encounter colorful macaws, playful river dolphins, and elusive jaguars deep in the dense jungle. Engage with indigenous communities to learn their ancient traditions and sustainable lifestyles. Navigate winding rivers and hike verdant trails to appreciate the raw beauty and ecological importance of this diverse ecosystem. 5. Enjoy the vibrant street art of Bogota. Dive into Bogota's dynamic street art scene, where city walls serve as vibrant canvases for creativity and social commentary. Explore neighborhoods like La Candelaria and the Graffiti District, discovering an outdoor gallery adorned with striking murals and graffiti pieces. Each artwork narrates Colombia's history, cultural diversity, and pressing social issues. Engage with local artists to gain insights into their inspirations and techniques, enriching your understanding of urban art's profound impact. 4. Relax on the beaches of San Andres, escape to the idyllic shores of San Andres, a Caribbean paradise off Colombia's coast. Sink your toes into soft white sands and dip into crystal clear turquoise waters teeming with vibrant marine life. Whether you're snorkeling amidst colorful coral reefs, kayaking along the coast, or simply basking in the sun with a refreshing coconut drink, San Andres offers the ultimate tropical retreat. Explore secluded coves, indulge in fresh seafood at beachside restaurants, and witness breathtaking sunsets over the horizon. A visit to San Andres promises relaxation and rejuvenation amidst picture-perfect surroundings. 3. Dance the night away in Cali. Experience the pulsating rhythm of salsa in Cali, known as the salsa capital of the world. Dive into the city's vibrant nightlife scene, where salsa music fills the air and dancers showcase their passion and skill on dance floors across the city. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a novice, join salsa clubs and dance academies to learn the steps from local experts. Feel the infectious energy of Cali's salsa culture, where every night promises lively music, friendly vibes, and unforgettable moments of pure joy on the dance floor. 2. Visit Medellin's transformation. Explore Medellin, a city of resilience and innovation that has overcome its turbulent past. Glide on the metro cable for sweeping views, linking once marginalized communities to the heart of the city. Discover vibrant neighborhoods like Comuna 13, adorned with empowering street art. Learn about Medellin's revitalization efforts and social initiatives, showcasing its urban evolution and commitment to improving quality of life. 1. Explore the walled city of Cartagena. Step into the enchanting world of Cartagena's walled city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where history and Caribbean charm converge. Wander through vibrant streets lined with colonial architecture and bougainvillea-draped balconies. Explore historical landmarks like the Castillo San Felipe de Barajas, offering panoramic views of the city and the Caribbean Sea. Dive into local culture at bustling plazas, art galleries, and traditional restaurants serving delicious coastal cuisine. Cartagena's walled city is a living testament to Colombia's colonial past, blending cultural richness with tropical allure, making it a must-visit destination for history enthusiasts and adventurers alike. And there you have it. Our journey through Colombia's top 10 experiences comes to a close. From the historic streets of Cartagena to the misty peaks of the Cocora Valley, each destination we explored offers a glimpse into Colombia's diverse landscapes and rich cultural tapestry. Whether you're drawn to adventure, history, or simply seeking relaxation on sun-kissed beaches, Colombia welcomes you with open arms. Which of these experiences will you add to your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Until next time, feliz viaje, happy travels.